Hello everyone, Rave Rider here with another item for Mini Firework Month. Since you guys love the happiness fountain, the small fountain from the loaded for fun assortment, I found a bunch of other happiness fountains by other manufacturers or companies. This one's by Dominator. I got another one which I'll review also later, the from Big. But right now we'll stick with Dominator fireworks. Here's it is the same size as a small fountain, same size as the other one made by what's it called, Boomer Fireworks. Let's go look at it again real quick. Look at that, it's California Safe and Sane steel. Okay. The warning label is covered by the pricing label or price tag. You could see here. Yeah, it was 85 cents. So I got it at a buy one get one free table. And I says, might as well snag a couple, which I did. Anyway, let's go outside and give this a try. All right. See you guys outside. We've got the happiness found by Dominator fireworks. Let's go give this a try real quick. Hopefully this will be just as good as the Boomer. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I'll buy this again. 85 cents. Buy one, get one. It's a good little filler. Anyways, yeah. You guys have a great evening.